The treatment is a 3-hour psychotherapy that evolved in the context of a consultation. I will comment on process, by which I mean observations, interventions, and patient response. I will also use specific segments to develop certain concepts central to the psychotherapeutic endeavor, especially those sections illustrating clarifications or interpretations and the responses. I mean by this interaction in which the patient's experience is formulated and echoed, in which empathetic responses are mirrored. The patient's response to interpretation or clarification early in the process seems somewhat removed and intellectualized, though thoughtful. It is only as the process continues that strong affect becomes connected with the discoveries that she is making, and hence become true insights. The patient is the 54-year-old wife of a retired contractor who developed lymphoma about 10 years ago. He had done quite well during the first 8 years, only then to have recurrences with complications and ultimately a bone marrow transplant. The course had been checkered by remissions and relapses, and I had seen the patient himself some months before when he was in the hospital. The therapeutic sequence consists of 3 sessions at weekly intervals.